What is image? Image are not just limited to photography, it also includes graphic and other illustration. Having image on your composition make it appealing to the eyes of your viewers. Like for example, the magazine. Imagine that your favorite magazine contains an image. You do not want to read it, right? That is the power of image. They are not just decorating on your composition. Image file type. There is a different file types of image. They are grouped into two categories. We have a vector. It is a type of image that does not lose its quality when zoom in. Your image will not be pixelated when enlarged. So as you can see the image, this is the example of vector. Nung isinom yung Apple, hindi siya naging pixelated or hindi nagbago yung kanyang quality ng image. Ganun pa din siya kaganda. So the next category is raster. Opposite to vector, raster image become pixelated when enlarged. So ang raster naman ay kabaliktaran ng vector. Pag isinom yung image, yan nakikita nyo, the flower, nung isinom siya, is naging pixelated yung picture. Parang nag-iba yung quality ng picture pag zinusum in siya. So this is the another example of vector in raster. As you can see, the other side, the vector, nung sinum yung logo is ganun pa din yung quality niya kahit sinum siya. Hindi nagbago yung quality ng logo. So dito naman sa kabila, sa raster, nung isinum yung logo, makikita nyo dun sa bilog ay naging pixelated siya or nag-iiba yung quality ng picture or ng logo.
Encapsulated PostScript or the EVS. These vector format are designed to produce high-resolution graphics for print. Being a universal file type, EVS files can be opened in any design editor. EVS is like a super versatile tool for making stuff that you want to print out. It can handle all sorts of things like shapes, words, and even pictures, and it keeps everything looking really sharp and clear. When you print it, it's like having a magic printer that can make everything you want to look awesome. As you can see in the example image, EVS or the encapsulated PostScript files are a type of vector image file, which means they are made up of lines and curves rather than pixels. This makes them ideal for logos, illustration, and other types of graphic that need to be resized without losing quality. Adobe Illustrator documents or the AI. Most preferable and commonly used image file type by designers. If you want to create a vector image, AI is one of the best tool for you. Now let's talk about AI. Think of AI as your superhero sidekick. When it comes to drawing cool pictures, it's like having a really fancy drawing tool with all the bells and whistles. With AI, you can create all sorts of fancy designs like logos, illustrations, and even fancy letters for posters. It's like having your own art studios right on your computers. EVS is great for printing out stuffs and making it look amazing, while AI is perfect for drawing and creating all sorts of cool designs. Together, they're like dynamic duo of graphic designs, helping you make awesome stuffs for your projects.
So now let's talk about the raster images file extension. The first one is Joint Photographic Expert Group or JPEG. It is like a photo in a digital format. When you make a JPEG file, the computer makes the file smaller to save space. But making it smaller can sometimes make a picture a bit blurry or less clear, especially if you make it bigger again. For example, a photograph taken with a digital camera and saved as a JPEG file. When you zoom in, you may notice some loss of quality or blurriness. The second one is Portable Network Graphics or PNG. It is also type of picture file, but it is different because it can have a see-through background, like a sticker. People often use PNG images on websites because they blend nicely with the page's background. For example, a logo with a transparent background used on a website. PNGs are prepared for such graphic as they allow the background of the website to show through.
Graphics interchange format. This file type is known in its animated form. You can find them in social networking sites as posts or comments. GIFs are often used in web pages, can load quickly due to its reduced file size. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito ay ang Graphics Interchange Format or isang GIF ay file na mas pinaikli o madalas natin makita sa mga social networking sites tulad ng Facebook at Messenger. Madalas din natin to makikita sa comment section o mga sinesend natin sa mga kaibigan natin. Ang GIF ay nagbibigay ng dynamic at engaging na paraan sa pagko-communicate natin sa ibang tao. At ito po ang example o halimbawa ng GIF.